तो देखिए, एक्टर का बहुत एक बड़ा प्रिविलेज होता है कि जब हम अपने किरदार को लोगों के सामने डालते हैं ना, तो लोगों को ये हमेशा मालूम रहता है कि एक एक्टर काम कर रहा है और उसका काम कैसा है। एंड ऑल्सो वो बहते भी हैं, एक मतलब एक इमोशन में बहते भी हैं, एंड दे एक्सपीरियंस दैट इमोशन एज वेल, बट देन व्हेन दे कम आउट दे ऑल्सो नो दैट इट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ एन एक्टर, दे नो दैट। सो वो प्यार मुझे उस वजह से भी मिल रहा है। So, as far as the question about being likable is concerned, I don't think you can make change in any space if your intention is to be liked.
Ooh, very well said. But it's so important to decide कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं और लोग आपको पसंद
इसमें
करेंगे।
फायदा भी है, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि जा जाके सबसे लड़ाई करें. That's not my intention and that's not the advice I'm giving you. But I am saying yes, there is a benefit to be likable, क्योंकि you can get things done. There was some podcast I was seeing about how they train you to be liked, you know. But I am a child of the 70s. I'm all about rebellion. But having said that, I also know that if there is a value to being liked and there's no denying it. मेरे परिवार मुझे हमेशा एडवाइस करते रहते हैं कि जाके झगड़ा मत करके आना, बट द थिंग इज दैट एट सम पॉइंट यू नो दैट इफ यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट, if you're someone who is trying to push the envelope in any field, you're not going to be able to please everyone, and it's not worth it.
Yeah. For somebody who's been an artist forever and who's seen every sort of platform, थिएटर हो या OTT हो या मूवीज हो या हर जगह या बर्थडे पार्टी हो,
एग्जैक्टली.
सक्सेस के मायने कैसे बदले हैं आपके लिए?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, क्योंकि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स भी ये मुझसे पूछते हैं, मेरे दोस्त मुझसे पूछते हैं कि कब फेमस होगी. तो ये सारी चीज़ें, एंड they've been the ones who sit right in front and watch all my plays.
Wow.
And watch all my work. So they are like, तुम शाहरुख खान के बगल में कब बैठोगी तब तुम फेमस होगी. Things like that. So I grew up like that. So the thing is that the parameters of fame and success are different for different people. मेरे भी बदले हैं बहुत सारे तरीके से. I'm actually feeling very very successful at this moment.
Oh my God,
from,
of course.
the amount of love I've got. But the work is no different. The amount of work I've put in the past for plays that nobody knows about is the same as I have put into this one as well.
Yeah.
For me, I also love experiencing my students going up on stage and flying as actors. Nothing gives me more pride, and I can start crying right now when I talk about that. So the thing is that there are different shapes of success, and the way we experience it. So all of it is good. This is fantastic. I mean, how can I deny that? I'd say, you've got this, girl. You've got this.
You've got this.
Yeah. And this is what we should tell our young ones as well. Ki, you've got this. I want to actually expand on it a little bit. What happens is, especially when you come to in industry that is about money and it's about power and things like that, you get told a lot कि because it is a woman-led film, इसका budget कम है, इसमें औरतें हैं इसलिए ये picture चलेगी नहीं. तो ये चीज़ें हमें मतलब लगातार ये चीज़ें हमें सुनने को मिलती हैं. So to remember that those are actually you're taking away the opportunity for someone to fail and learn and grow. So the fear of failure is far more for a person who is a woman and not for a person who, I mean, इतने सारे flop होते हैं यार बड़े बड़े stars के, पैसे डालना तो हम बंद नहीं कर देते. But that means you have the privilege of failing and learning and somebody else doesn't.
Yeah.
And that's not fair. So those kinds of things I think about for the future generation. हमने जो अपना जो करना था हमने किया, और हमें जैसी दुनिया बनानी थी वो हमने किया है, and we have failed in places, we have succeeded in some places, but there is a place now for us to sort of set the standards, or at least open minds and say कि आप जाके set your boundaries and say, no, I'm not taking that nonsense anymore.
एब्सोल्युटली सेट योर बाउंड्रीज एंड अगर किसी और ने बाउंड्री बना करके रखी है तो ऑल्सो उसको लांग करके आगे जाइए. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आवर सुपर वुमनिया हैज डन विद द मूवी मर्दानी 3. मालिका, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ सुपर वुमनिया और द सुपर वुमनिया शो पर आने के लिए भी
Thank you.
दिल से थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, thank you. I really believe every woman is a superwoman, yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So thank you.
आपका कैरेक्टर अम्मा जो है वो सिर्फ ईवल नहीं है, स्ट्रेटेजिक है, मैनिपुलेटिव है, लेकिन उसी के साथ में एक बहुत ही डरावना सा स्थिरता भी है जो कि आपके इस कैरेक्टर में है. शी हैज अ मैटर्नल साइड टू हर एज वेल.
आपको अपनी माँ से कभी झगड़ा नहीं हुआ है?
तो आज सुबह भी करके आई हूँ मैं तो झगड़ा.
तो ऐसा मतलब जो हम लोग पेंट करते हैं कि ना एक माँ होगी तो फिर वो एकदम गाय की तरह मतलब
हाँ,
देवी ही होगी,
मातृत्व.
है ना? तो थप्पड़ भी तो लगाए होंगे, है ना? सो आई एम सेइंग दैट यू नो द आइडिया दैट देयर इज ओनली वन शेड टू एनीबॉडी, you know, sometimes that might be a you know a creation, a myth that you're creating, that's not worth holding on to, yeah. Okay.
एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर, अम्मा जैसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करने का इमोशनल कॉस्ट एक एक्टर क्या पे करता है?
नहीं, आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम दैट स्कूल ऑफ थॉट.
आप
देखिए,
आप कट ऑफ कर पाते हैं अपने आप को पूरी तरह से?
बिल्कुल करना है, ज़रूरी है. What is important is to understand that when you tell a story, even as mothers, because storytelling begins from what you start telling your child,
Yeah.
है ना? How so when you do that, you're leaving behind yourself, you're entering another world, you're entering a character, because the purpose of that is something else. क्योंकि जो ट्रूथ आप इस तरीके से नहीं बोल पाते हैं, उस कहानी में घुस के उस सच्चाई को आप हैंडल कर पाते हैं,
Yeah.
है ना? तो इस वजह से हम कहानियाँ कहते हैं, नहीं तो हमारे यहाँ कहानियाँ ही नहीं होती ना. इट्स एक्चुअली अ रियली गुड स्टोरी. आई स्टार्टेड यू नो माय फर्स्ट एक्चुअली परफॉर्मेंस वाज इन समबडीज बर्थडे पार्टी. हम बच्चों ने मतलब एक रिहर्सल किया था एक बाल्टी में. We had imagined that it's a story called The Moon in the Well. Okay, and हम बच्चों ने उसको रिहर्स किया था, and the moon is apparently fallen in the well and all the children are going to pull it out. I was the youngest, so I was right up in front, and everybody pulled and all of us fell on our backsides. You know, and everybody had a big laugh. I still remember feeling so good about everybody laughing.
Wow.
You know, so and then my first audiences were my sisters, जिनके लिए I'm the youngest, so I was telling somebody else, being the youngest means you're not included in anything, you're दूध भात for everything.
I know.
Right?
कच्ची लोई.
हाँ, कच्ची लोई हो. So the thing was that they were my first audiences, so the only way I could hold their attention was to perform for them.
Oh.
And that's what I was doing. But then, you know, I started doing plays and writing them when I was in school, and then I was cultural secretary in my college. I was, you know, doing plays there. I was doing festivals. So it was sort of like a natural you know, progression to come to drama school,
Wow.
train. You know, I was already doing amateur theatre. I was doing professional theatre. So I don't know as to when I can mark a date and say, from here is where I begin to be an actor.